this is V and welcome to Designs by V. Today, I am participating in a collaboration hosted by Wani from Wani's House, and it is called the 6 Weeks Challenge. And for 6 weeks, we come to you with a different project that we have done in the space. It's a one-room challenge where you make over your room, a room that you always wanted to do. My room was my bathroom. And guys, I feel like I did the darn thing. And when I did my haul last week, I wasn't too sure of what I'm going to put in the space. But girl, went in my stash, found the things that I needed for the space. It came together so lovely. It's 2 things in the space that I didn't get the chance to do, but still it is showable. And that was the electrical and the mirror. But I do have the pieces, and what I'm going to do, just show you the space in its entirety. And I'm not going to do much talk. Not going to do any talking. I'm going to just show you the space to music, show you how I started the process. And then in another video, I'll go through each item, telling you where I got the stuff from. And let's do the darn thing. I think I could wow you with what I've done. So without further ado, enjoy this to music. Bye-bye.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh.
I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah, I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. Mary Jane, please love me. Mary Jane, please hurt me. Mary Jane, please hate me. Mary Jane, please love me. I'm just trying to get to you like I wanna make you mine. Yeah. I'm just spending all my thoughts on you like I need you now. me.